We are at the groundbreaking project launch for FosterHub for our new Transitional Housing and Training Center. Through the Ohio Department of Development, we received $7.3 million to make this dream happen.
Forced to sleep in my car at the time, and I slept in that for 3 months during the winter. Michelle found me. She provided me with a job, stable income, and provided me with all the main necessities I meant. It was like just showing like love, care, and stuff like that for a person.
The impact that this is going to have on the generations of people, that all the folks that come in here, they're not going to have the impact in their personal lives, they're going to have impact on the community, and they're going to have impact on the people that know them, and they're going to make this world a better place.
Your whole community can help you be successful, and I think that's what it's going to do for this Appalachian area, and this is something everyone can get behind.